Hello and welcome to the GraspOverr. As you can see on the screen, there is a failure of the Gradle, because of which the build of the Gradle is failed and we can't run the application. So here is the error that the wrapper properties from the D section is not loaded. So for that, just go to the Gradle wrapper properties, which you will find in the Gradle scripts of Android section. Here you can see 4.10.2 version of the Gradle. So we have to just change the version of the Gradle to the latest version. For that, you can go to the website of gradle.org distributions and take the latest version of the Gradle and paste it into the distribution URL. After pasting, just try the Gradle syncing again. Let the build Gradle complete its task. Here we can see all the errors are gone now, and we have resolved the Gradle sync error also, so we can run the application easily now. For more such queries and videos, keep watching the GraspOverr. For any of the queries, please put it in the comment section, and the link is in the description box for the Gradle sync latest version.